Hey there everybody, it's the Minute Admin here, and in this video I will be showing you how to install Marketing Cloud Connect and configure the Salesforce CRM. You'll also learn how to set up your Salesforce system user and how to complete the preliminary configuration steps in your Salesforce CRM org. The tutorial I'll be showing in this video follows perfectly with the Trailhead activity titled Install Marketing Cloud Connect and Configure Salesforce CRM. If you need a link to this Trailhead activity, I've left the link in the description below so that you can follow along. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is come over to the left-hand side of the setup page and type in Platform Events. We want to do this to make sure that Platform Events is available for us. If you're missing Platform Events, create a case with Salesforce support to have them enable custom Platform Events for your Salesforce org. Once you verify that you've got that enabled, make sure you find the latest version of the Marketing Cloud Connect managed package. And I have that link to that managed package in the description below. So click that if you want the latest managed package. I'm going to click that link in a separate page. And that managed package is either here for the production org or for your sandbox org. And then you need to follow instructions on this page after you click one of those links. Once you follow those instructions, head back to the video here. The next thing you'll do is come back to the setup page in Salesforce and come to the quick find bar and type in users and click users. So what you're going to want to do after you install that package is come over and click Object Manager on the left-hand side of the setup page in Salesforce. And in the quick find bar right here, start typing in user and click user. And then click user page layouts and click user layout. And in the palette up here, you're going to drag down Marketing Cloud for AppExchange Admin and Marketing Cloud for AppExchange User into one of the sections here. You can create a specific section just for Marketing Cloud and bring those fields down. As you can see here, we have those two fields here. And then you'll come over here and click Save. And then you'll click the Object Manager again. And in the quick find over here, type in Lead and click Lead. And then click Page Layouts and choose the lead layout. And in the tool palette, select Related Lists. Choose Related Lists. And then you'll want to search for Email Sends and drag Email Sends down here to the Related Lists. And then you'll want to drag Individual Email Results. As you can see, I have that related list here. And then you'll want to click Visualforce Pages. And then drag the Lead Actions Visualforce page down here. And then you'll want to create a little section here and name it something like Lead Actions. And click OK. And drag Lead Actions under here. And we can change the properties to a one-column layout and click OK. And click Save. And then click Object Manager again and type in Contact in the quick find box and click Contact. And click Page Layouts. Then click the Contact layout. Then scroll down to Related Lists and click Related Lists. And type in Email Sends and drag Email Sends down to the related list here and make sure that we have individual email results as a related list down here as well. Then scroll up here in the palette and click Visualforce Pages and type in Contact Actions. And as we can see, our Contact Actions is already down here. And then click Save. And then we'll click the Home button up here on the setup page and type in Users in the quick find box here and click Users. And select a user that you want to grant Marketing Cloud Connect admin access to. And click that user's name and click the Edit button on that user record. And for the Marketing Cloud fields that we added in earlier, the Marketing Cloud for AppExchange Admin and Marketing Cloud for AppExchange User, we want to make sure that both of those are clicked for that user. And then we'll click Save. Now we're going to create a Marketing Cloud permission set. So let's go back to the setup page and in the quick find bar, type in permission sets and click permission sets. Click right here on the word new to create a new permission set. and name it something like MC Connected App or Marketing Cloud Connected App, and click Save. And then click Manage Assignments and click Add Assignments. And click the checkbox next to the person that you want to add this permission set to, and click Assign, and then click Done. Now let's update field level security. The email opt-out field is a standard field on the contact and lead objects. For Marketing Cloud Connect to work the right way, we need to make sure that all Marketing Cloud Connect users have access to this email opt-out field. So let's click Object Manager, and let's type in lead over here in the quick find bar, and click lead. And let's click Fields and Relationships. And in the quick find bar, start typing in email opt-out and click email opt-out. And then click set field level security. And make sure that this field is visible to all the profiles that we need it to be visible to. And then click save. Let's do the same thing for contacts. So let's click the Object Manager again and type in contacts in the quick find bar and click contact and click Fields and Relationships and type in email opt-out in the quick find bar and click email opt-out. Then click set field level security here and make sure that this field is visible to the profiles it needs to be visible to. Then click save. And that's it. We have installed Marketing Cloud Connect and configured the Salesforce CRM in the right way so that we can be prepared for Marketing Cloud Connect to work correctly in Salesforce. So this is what you'll do for either Sales or Service Cloud whenever you connect to Marketing Cloud. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Minute Admin here, so that you don't miss out on any future Minute Admin videos. Also, check out my Udemy course called Connect Salesforce Campaigns to Marketing Cloud Journeys. In that Udemy course, I walk you step by step on how to create a lead in Salesforce, how to rate that lead, and how to connect leads to Marketing Cloud journeys and send Marketing Cloud messages to those leads that you created in Salesforce. So be sure to check that Udemy course out. I'll leave the link for that Udemy course in the description below so that you can check that out and get even more Marketing Cloud knowledge. Thanks.